Hello everyone, my name is Bianca and my topic for today is about vitamin C, which will surprise you the many health benefits vitamin C has for us and to know the truth behind some myths you may have heard before regarding vitamin C. You may have heard of vitamin C being that nutrient that boosts your metabolism, your immune system, and that makes your skin look healthier. Perhaps that it may fight cancer and help reduce heart disease. So if you were to help a friend increase his vitamin C intake, what would you suggest him to include in his diet? Which ones of these do you think is an excellent source of vitamin C? And remember to keep in mind that excellent source means meeting at least a 25% of the daily value. Actually, all of them are excellent sources of vitamin C. Although orange is an excellent source of vitamin C, guava, bell pepper, kiwi, strawberries are even higher and they have a higher concentration of vitamin C per cup. A couple interesting facts about vitamin C is that vitamin C is ascorbic acid, which is known as an antioxidant that fights those free radicals that destroy our cells, donating an electron to the reactive molecule. When we consume vitamin C, we can refer it also as dehydroascorbic acid, which is the oxidized form of ascorbic acid. Also is found in your food. Another important fact is that vitamin C is the least stable vitamin. Its concentration in food can easily decrease by storing for a couple days or weeks, and also by processing and cooking. For example, potatoes stored for 5 months can lose up to 50% of its concentration. They're also very unstable when in contact with iron, copper, and oxygen. Therefore, slicing or peeling can also reduce its content because of oxygen exposure. Vitamin C, as most water-soluble vitamins, are not synthesized by our bodies, neither can be stored. So it has to be secreted, and it will be secreted through urine. The RDA for an adult woman and man is 75 milligrams a day, and it increases to 85 milligrams during pregnancy. If breastfeeding, the RDA increases to 120 milligrams a day. Also, the upper limit for men is about 1800 milligrams a day, but for women is 2000 milligrams. Meeting your RDA might give you actually some um, health benefits such as the prevention of cardiovascular disease, improvement of skin health, it might fight cancer and reduce immune system deficiency. Since vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant, it can boost the immune system. Vitamin C can also help with collagen synthesis, which is needed for proper growth, development, and to heal wounds. It also helps with hormone and neurotransmitter synthesis. Like most water-soluble vitamins, vitamin C is not considered to be toxic in high concentrations, since it can be excreted through urine. Although some gastrointestinal discomfort might be caused, such as diarrhea, vomiting, nausea, abdominal cramps, and others. It can also increase the risk of kidney stone and iron absorption, but only in those who are predisposed to form kidney stones and who have pre-existing iron absorption disorders. Scurvy is a disease caused when the needs of vitamin C for the processes explained before are not met. Such disease is rare in developed countries such as United States, since vitamin C is available in a variety of fruits and veggies. This disease is very characteristic from centuries ago from those pirate tales, since pirates had to navigate for a long time in the sea, and they didn't have readily access to fresh fruits and veggies. So they were more likely to develop such deficiency, which is characterized by bleeding in the gums, bruising, dry skin, and malformation of teeth. A couple symptoms of low intake of vitamin C can be lethargy, anemia, and high fever. The absorption of vitamin C occurs when the small intestine and no digestion is required. It is absorbed by active transport for ascorbic acid and by facilitated diffusion for dehydroascorbic acid. The efficiency of the absorptive mechanism decreases as intake increases, so about 70 to 90% of vitamin C is absorbed at daily intakes between 30 to 200 milligrams, whereas the rates of absorption decline when doses exceed that amount. Also, the excretion by the kidneys rises as dietary intake increases. The amount of vitamin C stored varies widely by tissue. High concentrations are found in the pituitary and adrenal glands, white blood cells, eyes, and brain, and the lowest concentration are in the blood and saliva. The most interesting thing I found about vitamin C is that vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis. Collagen synthesis requires vitamin C to add the hydroxyl groups to the amino acids proline and collagen molecules. Hydroxyproline is needed to stabilize the collagen fibers, as we see here. So without sufficient vitamin C available to perform this task, only weak connective tissues is formed, as shown here. In order to make this reaction happen, proline needs a couple components that we see here, and one of them is iron. Iron will be oxidized to make hydroxyproline, but it will then need to be reduced with the help of vitamin C here. So we'll need some vitamin C to be reduced and to help this reaction happen again. Therefore, without the vitamin C, hydroxyproline cannot be synthesized and collagen is weak and fragile. A highlight from an article that I found was about vitamin supplements. The article addressed the problem of consuming more antioxidant than what's needed. So, how can this be a problem? Uh, Given that free radicals clearly damage cells, and given that people who eat diets rich in substances that neutralize free radicals are healthier, why did studies of supplemental antioxidants show they were harmful? The most likely explanation that the article explained was that free radicals aren't as evil as advertised, and that although it's clear that free radicals can damage DNA and disrupt cell membranes, that's not always a bad thing. People need free radicals to kill bacteria and eliminate new cancer cells. But when people take large doses of antioxidant, the balance between free radical production and destruction might tip too much in one direction, causing an unnatural state in which the immune system is less able to kill harmful invaders. Whatever reason, the data found that high doses of vitamins and supplements increase the risk of heart disease and cancer. With these concepts, I like to conclude that it all goes back to the principle of nutrition. We need balance, variety, and moderation when it comes to our diets. Vitamin C, we learned that it has many health benefits, but all in moderation. It can help promote the healthy skin and collagen formation, improve iron absorption, fight free radical damage, boost your immune function, enhance cancer treatment, and support heart health. If we have a healthy diet from natural and wholesome food, no supplements should be needed unless dictated by your doctor. Some may argue that it's hard to afford a healthy eating lifestyle, but in the long term, eating healthy will save you money because you won't need to spend that money in doctors visit, surgeries, medications, supplements, and it will also save you from pains as well. This is all I have for you today, and here are the references from the sources I found, and I hope you learned something new about vitamin C. Thanks.